Hello. Today I have some picture cards on display on my chart, and underneath the picture or beside the picture I have written the word that names the picture. Now we're going to look at the word, and I want you to see if you can guess what the word or what the picture is by reading the word. All right, let's look at the first one here. All right, what did you think it was? All right, let's decode it. Pen. Is that what you thought the word was? Well, let's see if that's correct. Yes, it's a picture of a pen, a safety pin. Okay, let's look at the next one. All right, what do you think this word is? All right, let's decode it. Bat. Let's see if we're right. Yes, it's a picture of a bat. All right, let's do the next one. All right, what do you think this word is? Let's decode it. Map. Yes, it is a map. Picture of a map. All right, here's our last one. All right, let's decode it. Cup. And it's a cup. It's the teacup. All right, what would happen to these words if we added an S to the end? Well, let's take pen, and I'm going to add an S to it. And that changes the word, and it also changes the meaning. Pens. Do you hear that S at the end? All right, we're no longer talking about one, but more than one. What if we add an S to bat? All right, let's read this word. Bats. No longer are we talking about one bat, but more than one bat. What about map? If we add an S, map will become maps. More than one map. And if we add an S to cup, it too becomes cups, which is more than one cup.